shrink, and I'm going to show you the way I do it. Well, I've taught myself how to do it. Okay, you need to put them on one at a time, okay? Otherwise you'll end up with problems. And I always like to have a screwdriver on the top, so I make sure that I haven't got a gap at the bottom when I finished. Then, either getting a hairdryer from a flea market or car boot or whatever for £1 or 50p is good enough, or you can borrow your sister's, your wife's, your mother's, or your brother's, depend. Okay, and it's really high setting, and it helps if you turn it on, Raymond. High setting, keep not a lot of pressure, just the weight of the screwdriver is enough. And then just work it around. As it starts going, you can take the screwdriver away, or you can chuck it on the floor, it doesn't matter which. I've just blown the other two pieces of the heat shrink onto the floor, so I'll have to pick them up, or find them first. There we go. Now, don't do a pull test at this stage. Let it cool down first, okay? And don't let the wire hang down. Get the wire up off so it's got no weight on it whatsoever and can't pull it over, okay? Now, I found one piece of heat shrink, so I can now do the red one, but it looks like I'm going to have to go to my favourite electronics store and get some more. Push it over, keeping the cable straight in your hand, slight weight, try the full bore, and you could do this with a soldering iron, but then you'd mark the heat shrink. You could use a cigarette lighter, a candle, anything that will produce heat. I always find a hairdryer much better because of the airflow it creates around the heat shrink, and it looks more professional. Right, so there you are. Let those cool, and if I can't find the other piece, then I shall have to go to my favourite shop, Maplin's. Okay, see you in a bit.